Yarrney.
Hello, welcome to Yarrney. If you've ever wondered how to do a half double crochet decrease, you're at the right place. In this tutorial, you will learn how to do a half double crochet decrease. So right here, I have a little patch that I made with half double crochet, and I will just demonstrate how to do a half double crochet decrease. So a decrease is basically merging two stitches into one. Now, to do a half double crochet decrease, you will wrap the yarn around your hook, insert it under the next stitch, then you pull the yarn back through the stitch. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you wrap the yarn around your hook again and you insert it in the next stitch. Now you pull the yarn back through the stitch and you can see you have 5 loops on your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You wrap the yarn on your hook and you pull it through all 5 loops. So this is a half double crochet decrease. So let me just demonstrate this one more time. So wrap the yarn around your hook, insert it in the next stitch, pull the yarn back. So you have 3 loops on your hook, wrap the yarn around your hook, insert it in the following stitch, pull the yarn back, and you have 5 loops on your hook. You wrap the yarn around your hook and you pull it through all 5 loops. And just like that, you have half double crochet decrease. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.